Everyone, I promise you by the end of this video, you will know the exact path to naming your brand. I'll show you how big companies design their powerful names, so you can do the same. And it's really simple. This isn't complicated if you understand it well. It's about following a few key principles that will make your brand's name unique, memorable, and it will be successful. The first condition we have is that it should be unique. So let me give you an example so you can understand it well. Now, my name is Kareem. If I call some random one on the phone and say, "Oh, I'm Kareem," and he will like, "Who are you, man?" I'll say, "I'm Kareem." Will he know me like that? No, of course, because there's many Kareems in the planet. I should say, "I'm Kareem Zein, working in marketing," so he will know me. That's why your brand name needs to be unique. It should express itself. For example, there's no Amazon other than Amazon. There's no Microsoft other than Microsoft. And to make a really good unique name, you just have to follow the second rule. The second rule to name your brand effectively is that the name doesn't have to express the brand at all. If you can make the name express the brand identity, it is really good. But Amazon doesn't express what it does. Apple doesn't sell fruits. The most important thing that the name should be unique. Oh my god, the iPad. I see other people stay for 2 weeks. Like, what is the name of the brand? And oh, my friends, what is the name of the brand? What is the name? What are you doing, man? So the second condition is that it should be short. It can be unique, but it can be for 9 words, or some people do for 3 words. It is highly preferred is the brand name is no more than 2 words. People will never remember it that way. I will tell you a story. My friend works in a glasses shop, and so that's why I go and sit with him for a bit. To can eat there, to eat the food there. But of course, no one comes to buy from the shop because the name is very long. It's four words. The consultants for optics and eyes. First, the name isn't unique. Second, the name isn't short. Third, the name isn't expressive. So I was like, talk to the owner, man, to do anything to market the brand. And he actually told the owner, but the owner didn't say anything. They didn't. Like, yes, yeah, it's really good brand. So let's assume someone make this name. Try to read it. It's short, it's unique, it is a really good name, but how can you read it? You can read it? Of course not. I see a lot of people make names that, like some people here in Egypt, open a brand with Germany name. What the heck are you doing, man? That's why the name should be really easy to pronounce, really easy to remember, really easy to read. Anyone can spell Amazon. Anyone can spell Microsoft. Anyone can spell Apple. Because when people remember the name of your brand, they will talk about, they will market it for you. It's a really big chance to make people market this brand for you with no money. If you can make your name really comedic and have a personality, people will remember it. Like, it is really simple, but just follow this principle. And so I want you to sit for a quarter of an hour and think about the name. Think for 1 hour. I want you to think about the name, because if you didn't choose the name correctly right now before start or the first year, it will be very difficult for you to change it later. Sit with yourself for a bit and choose the name.